Assalamu alaikum to everyone. This video is helpful for all the teachers because in this video we are going to help teachers by showing how to assign homeworks in MCB Smart School app, how to check and also how to do corrections and submit back to the students so that students can get the edited corrected paper from your site. Before I begin with this video, I would like to request all the teachers to watch this video till end. So let us begin. I am opening this MCB Smart School app. Here you are able to see URL, username and password. These things you will get from your school site. So I am typing my URL here, HIIS, and my name. I'll copy the same here, then I'll type the password, then I'm logging in inside. Once I log in, I'm inside the app now. Here these are the different options present inside the app. I'll take you to the option where we have to assign homeworks. So communication is the option where we need to concentrate to assign homeworks to the students. This is the communication and here is the assignments written. So to assign homeworks to the student, we need to click on this assignments. Let us click on this assignment. I am clicking on the assignment. These are the different classes which are present inside the assignments. You have to select your own desired class where you want to send homework. So I am selecting grade 1. Once I select grade 1, here at the bottom right hand side you are able to see plus sign. We need to click on this plus sign. Plus sign will take you inside and these are the different options present inside. Here on the first, offline is written. First we need to change it to online and click on this arrow mark and select the class grade 1 because we have selected the class grade 1. Now select the sections. At a time you can select 2 sections or how much ever sections are there, how many ever sections are there, you can select like A, B, C, D. It depends upon the sections of that class. Here in this section 2 sections are there. I have selected both the sections. Here 2 more options are there, all students or individual students. You can select individual student also or you can select all students also. So I have selected all students because I have to send homework to all the students. Then here is the subject written. We need to select the subject. Today I am giving homework in math, so I have selected math homework. Now if you scroll down, here is the title written. Here you have to give title to your homework. I am giving title, fill in the blanks with numbers. And here is the assignment date, 24th. Today's date is 24th, so 24 is written. Submission date you can give it as 25, 26. Whenever you want your students to submit you back the homework, you can select the submission date. I am selecting 25. 25 is the submission date for the students to submit back homework to me. And here is the maximum marks. We have to select the marks here and we have to enter. And here if you are able to see, description is written here. Here you have to write on whatever homework you are going to give to the student. Write question number 2 from worksheet, page number 19. So this is a homework what I want to give to the student. So here number of character limitation is 1000 and here on the top if you are able to see there is a clip. Here is a clip. If you want to attach anything, you can attach. Let us click on this clip and see what are the options present. Once I click clip, here you are able to see camera. Like if you want to take any photo and if you want to send it to your students, you can send. Here is a gallery. Gallery will take you to your photos. Like if you have saved already the photo, and you can select the photo and you can send to the students. Document, any PDF or whatever you want to send, you can send. So these are the three different options which are present inside the clip. Here on the top there is a right mark. Don't forget to click on this right mark. If you click, then only your homeworks will be submitted. So I'm clicking on the right mark. Once I click here, you are able to see assignment created successfully. Click on OK. I am clicking on OK. So these are the homeworks what I have given to my students on 24th August. Let us click and check. So this is the homework what I have given to the students. Here on the top, you are able to see small bin. If you are thinking that your homework is wrong, you can delete also your homework, and again you can resend the homework. Okay, I'll show you the other two options also. I will check the homework of yesterday what I have given to the student. I am selecting the date as 23rd. Once I selected 23rd, this is the homework of 23rd August what I have given to the student yesterday. So I want to see how many students have viewed this homework and how many students have submitted homework to me. So let us check. I am clicking here. Here on the top, you are able to see three options. One small doll, and this already I have introduced. This is the bin. If you want to delete any homework, you can delete the homework. Now this is view option. I is a view option. I am clicking here on I. Here again you are able to see two more options, viewed and not viewed. So these are the students who have viewed the homework. If you want to see non-viewed, these are the homework. These are the students who did not check your homeworks till now. And the students, those who have checked the homeworks, are these many: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these 5 students have checked your homeworks, and these are the details of those students. So this is how we have to check how many students have viewed your homework and how many students have not viewed your homework. Now next step is how to do corrections. Let us check. I am selecting one more class, grade 10th. Here I have selected grade 10th. Let us check how many students have submitted the homework. I am selecting yesterday's date. So this is the homework what I have given to grade 10th students yesterday. I am clicking here. As I have already introduced these two options to you, this is view option and this doll. This view option, let us check once again. So these are the students, those who have checked the homeworks yesterday, and not viewed are these many students. So let us check how many have submitted to me. So this middle one, doll, we have to click on this doll to check how many students have submitted homeworks to us. I am clicking on this. So here you are able to see one statement written here, submitted on 23rd August. So this student have submitted homework to me. So the students, those who have submitted homeworks to us, this statement will come to us. Like Ahmed Aziza, she has submitted homeworks to us on 23rd August. So let us check what homework she has submitted. To check the homework, we need to click on her name. Here I clicked on her name, and if I'm scrolling down, so here you are able to see student answer 23rd August 4:59 p.m. On 23rd August 4:59 p.m. she has submitted the homework to me, and this is her homework image. and this is a download option, small arrow which is pointing towards the down. So this is the downward this is the option to download the homework. We need to click on this. Let us click. I am clicking here. It is getting downloaded. It will take some time to download. Here you are able to see upload teacher corrected image. So after correction, this is the option how to upload the corrected image to the students. Now here picture got downloaded. Evaluate answer. I'll go back and show you once again. Here picture got downloaded, and here at the bottom if you are seeing evaluate answer, add attachment remarks and save. These are the three options present here. I'll go back and again I will show you. This is the downloaded image. Below the downloaded image you are able to see upload teacher corrected image. So we need to click on this upload teacher corrected image. I am clicking here. Once I click here, you will get three more options: evaluate answer, add attachment remarks and save. So these are the three options present here. I have to click on evaluate answer first. So I am clicking on evaluate answer. Once I click on evaluate answer, here you are having options like brush, text and erase. So let us click on brush. These are the different colors which are present inside, and this is the opacity like thickness and all. I am selecting red color to do corrections. I am doing the corrections. And text, I want to give it as good. And here don't forget to click on done. I have clicked on done, and here we have to rotate, and if you want to change the text colors are also there. You can select any text color and you can do. I have not selected, so that's the reason my text is in white color. So this is how I have corrected, and I have given remark also to her like good. If you want to erase, you can erase also. And I have clicked on right mark. Add attachment remarks. Very well done. Save. Don't forget to click on save. Saved successfully. Marks 0, 5. So this notification, once you save this notification, student will get. So once you do corrections and submit back to the students, this is how you will be notified. Like Ahmed Aziza obtained marks. This is the mark what you, these are the marks what you have given to the student, that is 5, and E indicates that it is edited by you. So this is how you have to submit the homeworks to your students. Now I will show you how the students will get your edited work. Open this HIS group of schools app for students. So as we have corrected the work of Ahmed Aziza, Ahmed Aziza will be notified in this way. Even she will check her homeworks in assignments. So here you are able to see view answer of 23rd August. So this we have corrected of Aziza's math homework of 23rd August. So Aziza will be notified by this option like view your answer. So Aziza will click here on view answer and she will scroll down, and this is a staff correction. She will be notified with this. This is the work of yours, like you have done the correction, and Aziza will get this image in her assignment. And this is the remark what you have given to Aziza. Very well done. And here will be the marks. Marks you have given to her as 5, right? So this is the marks what Aziza will get here on the top. So this is how we have to do the corrections, submit back to the students, so that students will get your edited work. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube. Thank you.